first off, like we said, welcome to the fourth quarter and distance learning. Students, you've seen this image on your Canvas courses, and we're going to reiterate the idea of commitment, attitude, respect, encouragement, and safety, and how that relates to distance learning. First off, C for commitment. Commit to completing all tasks for each class every single day, including your Apex assignments. Check in with your teachers through Canvas, Google Meet, email them. Make sure you're connecting with them and have a clear idea of what you need to complete. Attitude, positivity. You guys have heard a lot of my voice the last few minutes. Let's hear from our teachers about staying positive and giving you a shout out and a boost.
Don't worry about a thing.
Hey Bulldogs, this is Miss Peterson, hoping you are doing well and you are staying safe. Finish off this semester in the best way possible. See you soon.
Like students, Bulldogs always win, so we have to win in this time of trial. Thank you.
Your generation will be defined by how you survive and how you react through this whole calamity. We are here for you, so please always feel free to reach out to us. Any questions, any concern, even if all you want is just to shoot breeze and hang out, we are here for you. Please remember that, and we will go through this together. Go Bulldogs!
Hi Lloyd students, this is Christine Gutierrez from the Wellness Center, just saying hello. I want to wish you good luck in the fourth quarter, and I also want to remind you that in this difficult time, we are all here for you. Your health and your well-being is really important to us, so don't hesitate to contact one of us at the Wellness Center if you need to talk to someone. I hope you take care.
Hello Bulldogs. You've heard plenty of what CARE stands for. And now it's time that you act not by words, but by deeds. You can do it. And your teachers are here to help. Let's work together with a will. You can do it.
Given the difficult circumstances, let's make the most of it. I'm here to help you. My office hours are from 8:15 to 9:15, so please drop in if you have any questions. And again, I wish you guys the best. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Stay home.
Stay safe.
Do the work.
And go Bulldogs! We miss you guys. We love you. We'll see you soon. You need anything, let us know.
Hello Bulldogs, this is Dr. Matt, school psychologist. I hope you're all doing well. I know that it can be really difficult some days, but if you need any support, go ahead and send an email to myself, Ms. Jimenez, or Ms. Gutierrez from the Wellness Center. Our contact information is on the Lloyd website, and every student was also sent a link to a Canvas page where you can find our information. If there's anything you need, please don't hesitate to reach out. Take care. Be well.
Hello Bulldogs, Miss Jimenez here. I'm here with my doggy Oreo, and I just wanted to say I miss you all. I miss seeing you at the Wellness Center. Keep working hard. We will get through this together.
Hey guys, I miss you so much. I hope everyone is safe, healthy, and doing all their schoolwork. Seniors, I wish you much success in your future endeavors. Everyone else, I will see you next year.
Hello Bulldogs, this is Miss Yannis. Just wanted to say hello and hope that you are well, hope that you are taking care of yourselves and your loved ones. Please stay home and continue practicing social distancing so that we can come back to school. We miss you guys tremendously, and we are all here for you for anything that you may need. Please contact us through Canvas, through our Google Meets. All of this information is on our school website. And remember that a Bulldog always cares. We love you guys, and we miss you very much. Hope to see you all very soon.
Hey Bulldogs, I know this situation is really weird, but we're all here to help. And if you have any questions or you're confused about anything, reach out and we will help you. We're going to all get through this.
Every little thing gonna be alright.
Wow, that was amazing. Thank you so much, Ms. Ciañez. Really well done putting that video together. Let's bounce back into our CARES letters. R for respect. Students, respect yourself, respect peers, respect teachers and presenters during Google Meets and live broadcasts. We are going to have more similar events like this even next week, and I'll be sharing more information about that later in this presentation. E for encouragement. Encourage yourself, encourage others to check in with your teachers daily and to make sure you're getting APEX done daily. Check in using Google Meet, check in by email, check in by phone call. Make sure you're checking in, making sure you're doing the work that you need to do. Students, safety. Keep your physical distancing, stay at home, wash your hands, avoid face contact. I've realized I touch my face a lot. I continuously reminding myself, don't do it right now. It's important that we're practicing those safe practices. Okay, so let's jump into some acknowledgments. You guys can see over here over my shoulder, we've got some trophies. We had some great tennis matches take place back at the end of February, and then we got through a few days of March, and then obviously we had to take our break. But we are celebrating our table tennis team from Lloyd High School during the South Bay Continuation School Table Tennis Championships. We had both first and second place competitors in our singles, and we got first and second place in doubles. So I wanted to give a big shout out to all of our team members: Jimmy Guest, Jonathan Martin Casillas, Alfonso Solis, Jesse Flores, Brian Rodriguez, Luis Lopez, and Anthony Perez. Great job to all 7 of them. Really represented the Lloyd Bulldogs and the way that we always cares. Now into perfect attendance. CJ Aviles, Audrey Gonzalez, Leslie Gonzalez, Saul Gonzalez Mendez, Dawit Hadish, Andre Martin, Diego Rosales Cox, Sarai Salazar, Daniel Sanchez, and Amanda Walker. Great job being at school, being focused, ready to learn every single day. Your students, you're going to see a few names repeated here as we move into our honor roll, and it's no mistake. Students that come to school every day do better. Now that we're distance learning, students that are checking in through Google Meet, signing into APEX and working on APEX every day, doing Canvas work every day, those are the students that are going to pass classes, and each and every one of you can do that. There's no reason why all of us can't be very successful in our coursework. Now for our honor roll. Look at those 2 names on the left there, CJ Aviles, Sarai Salazar. I want to take you back again. Look at our perfect attendance. CJ Aviles, Sarai Salazar, both of them on the perfect attendance list. There is no mistake why they also had perfect GPAs. They did an amazing job coming to school every day, when they're in class, staying focused and doing the work that they needed to do. Congratulations to both of them and the other 38 students listed on this slide. We had 1 out of every 5 students at Lloyd High School on the honor roll for quarter 3. I am so very proud of each and every one of you. Now, do not forget to add the Wellness Center Canvas page on your dashboard. Students should all have it there. Right now, when you guys get off this stream, please make sure to check out that Canvas page. There's great information, great resources for you on the Wellness Center Canvas page titled School Psychologist. All our Wellness Center staff are supporting through that page, as well as Google Meet and connecting with you. Reach out if you want to connect with any of them. Another video that we put together, these are some highlights from quarter 3. Let's check it out.
Oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, one more time. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, don't stop the dancing. One more time.
Wow, another great video. Again, thank you, Ms. Cianez, for putting that together. Really, really well done. Students, teachers, please don't hesitate to reach out and say thank you to her for putting all that together. Now, as I was reminding you, activities will continue. We have Q4, we've got activities to do, and they're important ones. Number one, transcript evaluation. Students, you will today you have started to receive emails with your updated transcript. For those of you that don't receive them today, you will receive them through the weekend on Monday or Tuesday of next week with all of your updated transcripts. You will also be receiving an email before Monday with a transcript evaluation meeting time and link to participate in an evaluation with a staff member at Lloyd High School. Get guidance on evaluating your transcript and checking in on your graduation progress and making sure you're enrolled in the correct classes to move through to graduation. Digital Spirit Week. You see an image down there at the bottom of the screen, April 13th to 17th. That's next week. I'm going to show you some more information about that in just a second. And we will also have an inspirational speaker, Ellie Shoja. She'll be presenting on Thursday at 1 p.m. You'll receive a link for that meeting as well. She'll be speaking to us for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then also taking student questions at the end. So I urge all of you to pop in and check that out on Thursday at 1 p.m. Like I said, you'll also receive an email with more of that information in the coming days. Now, taking a look at our Spirit Week activities. Monday is going to be Make Something Monday. Make something out of Legos, a puzzle, a drawing, whatever you see fit. Take a picture or video of it and share it out. We're asking you to share, post on Instagram and then tag at Lloyd_Bulldogs and also follow us so you can see some great videos and other things that we're going to be posting on Instagram. Students, we may be posting other teachers sending messages or other things. Please make sure you follow at Lloyd_Bulldogs. TikTok Tuesday, I can imagine students, you've got a bunch of great content to share there. Workout Wednesday, keep it moving. You know, even though we're practicing physical distancing, doesn't mean you can't be physically active and stay healthy in that regard. Throwback Thursday, post a picture of yourself from the past. I'll definitely be participating in all these as well. You guys can see a picture before my hair started to turn gray from all the stress you guys give me. No, that's just a joke. You guys know I love you. And finally, favorite pajama Friday. I imagine none of you are in pajamas right now. Everybody put a suit and tie on today, but plan on wearing your pajamas on Friday, especially those favorite ones, and share a photo of yourself. That brings us just about to the end. Students, I want to remind you, this right here is your best friend. It goes like this. We're going to open it up. I need you opening your Chromebook every single day. Get it open, sign on to Canvas, get work done. Sign on to Apex, get work done. Go to Google Meet, meet with a teacher. Email a teacher if you have a question. It's important that you're making progress every day because June 10th has not changed. That is our deadline to graduate. And every single one of you are gonna be putting this cap on. One way or another, we're gonna celebrate your graduation, but you have to do your piece and do the work now. Bulldogs, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for participating. A Bulldog always cares. Have a great, great weekend.